Today I will be doing my first gameplay on Angry Birds Epic. I started a little bit too early. So tap, tappity tap 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 tap. And this tap it. Yeah. 4 glance. Let's go. Bam. When Bill came to see the beast, she realized that she had loved him all along and tried for a long time. What you want? What you want, Fred? What you want?
Ai mơ quá. Hello.
I have no classes. An elite trickster. He gave me an elite tricksters when I don't even have the freaking blood. I hate you.
It's like there was a teeny earthquake in your face. Oh, what have I done? Putting your head made his heart come so instead of his head with your hand in his heart. Just help you get there. Well, maybe you can get that. Now, integrate the area of this computer into the piece of the whole new life. Okay, pass me these. Okay, pass me these too. Look at it, pass me something. Guys, this isn't going to work. I'm going to have to tell my dad. Hey, no, we were looking at your eyes and there was that. Oh, what was that? I don't know what you mean. You know, there was that. I don't know what you're talking about. You know, you're really talking about me. Yeah, what? Okay. It's the real moon. Get out of here. Yes, it's real. Anyone can see it. Look out for nuts.
I gotta pay attention to the time. This has to be at least 11 minutes long.
Okay, Dad. Before you say anything, don't get mad.
What happened? Are you involved in this?
I want to be involved. We're not so scary.
Something unstable and dangerous, and we need to fix this. Witness! I know what you want, Penny.
Everyone in the family has spent their whole lives hiding from themselves.
Penny, they're trying to... Penny, my daughter, I decide what's best for her.
So best not be yourself. Hey, Patrick, come on. Batman. Patty cakes. That's just...
Level up. Level up.
Why do we all have to do it? Because you
It's called freaking rapid fire. Rapid fire.
Tell them, honey. You want to I'm not going to let anybody talk about it. You told them you had nothing to eat. I'm moving to another school. Can I please to the back? Excuse me. But take the trail! It's not for the back of your computer! Be yourself. No, yourself. But maybe you wouldn't like people when you there's no way that would be true. Whatever's inside, we can deal with it together. 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 You're not! I'm gonna do it! Okay, break, ready! I know, she was fantastic, right?
Oh, damn it. You turned her into a freak.
Freak-ish, really beautiful young lady.
She looks like a freak.
Shout out beauty, and also wisdom.
Oh, my daughter into a monster.
Pretty neat.
Over there. So I'm gonna end it on the magic cauldron. I just gotta beat these guys somehow. Yes. So I'm gonna end it right here. That is the happy of the first Angry Birds Epic episode. I'm gonna do my new outro now. See you later. Rangers.